What's up, guys? Day 67 of Code Every Day. Sorry for the significantly later stream, by an hour and a half-ish. On Thursdays, I have the closing shift for my desk job, which goes till 11:30. And then I have to walk back, which is 11:45, so. Caesar, you should not be awake, bro. What's up, though? You should not be awake. Oh my god. Isn't it 4 for you or something? It's alright, bro. Sure. Goal today. Get through this leetcode. And then I want to do some stuff with the nufood. Because I want, a soft goal of mine is by next Friday to push these things. That's on my dev branch right now to main. Interview today for, oh shit, okay. Tell me how that goes. What is 4 p.m. for me? Maybe noon. Put it in the Discord how you do. I'll be curious. Is it for a Python role? Is that the one you were talking about? It's 8, I believe. Wait, no, you're 4 hours ahead of me. I thought. So wouldn't it be noon for me? If it's midnight for me right now. Okay. Data analysis and stuff. Best of luck, brother. Yeah, if it's 3 a.m. for you, then if your interview's at 4, it'd be 1 p.m. for me. So, yeah, noonish. Okay. Given a binary tree with the following rules, the root is always equal to 0 for any tree node if the value has... If tree val has a value x and the left is not null, then the left val becomes 2 times x plus 1. Okay. Caesar, why the fuck would you do that? Okay. Yeah, it is. I tend to agree with you. Alright. If it has a value and a right node, then the right node gets transformed. Okay. Wait. So you start with all of them equal to -1. And then the first step is you would take... There's the last step, you take the root to be 0. No, it seems like the first step. Because you take this, it'd be 1 and 2. And then... Okay. So it, looks... BF as a... Wait. Sorry, one of my friends just DM'd me. Okay. This one's very simple. Yeah, it seems like you just, DFS. So. What are we looking to return? Good night. All right, sounds good. Thank you for going to bed, and best of luck on your interview. I hope it goes well, man. Okay. And returns true if the target value. Okay, so find can probably be done by right? And then thanks, of course. You my goat. Okay. I think then you just like initialize root, right? Which means you're taking in a node, right? If not node, return, else dot values dot add the node dot value, and then DFS or no, we need to set the values. So do we want to take in a value low-key? Yeah. Because I don't really want to be transforming these. What is it for left? Left is 2 times val plus 1. And pretty much the same thing for the right. Is times x plus 2. Let me just DFS the root and 0. Yeah, this one was insane. That's sure. What are these bit strings? Oh, so this is what Caesar was talking about. I guess it makes sense. We started applying. Raven, I've been applying for 4 months now. Yeah, I've been applying. It just has not gone my way, unfortunately. Okay. I mean, this is like ridiculously easy. So, nice to start off with a win. Localist. Okay, I want to fix how this looks. Because we have a good thing going here in terms of, like, everything's loading quickly. I do kind of want to store the preferences too. Because I want to have them, like, if they come back, stay to the same, like, north-south stuff. Also, wait, is this... I forget, It's been like a while. I know I have to change that to be reflexive, but this one is reflexive. Okay. Cool. Cool. So I actually would like to look if I could do something like a calendar-ish. I don't really know how, because like these are the menus for each day, right? But I want to have a better way of doing it than this. Maybe like a little menu icon, and then instead of scrolling through like this, or not a menu. What the fuck am I thinking of? Calendar. This is kind of what I want. Okay. I really want to design stuff myself, I can't lie. But this seems good. I don't think Shadesian has this. It does. Oh, that's actually quite nice, because then I'll just keep it in the same ecosystem. Is there a way to like limit the range? Is what I want to know. Because like I'll only ever have 7 days worth of data, right? So I want to be able to like gray out-ish. Like gray out the ones that I don't have data for. I went in a circular way for that. Okay. I mean, for now, I'll just get this in. Calendar account date. Okay, So we need to add calendar and what? Pop over? So I'd like to play with just like this for now. Really? It's still installing? Goddamn. Dude, I need to get new candles. Candles are almost done. But, no. Okay, cool. About to rewrite my resume. Should have a count on screen of how many applications you put out. That's not a bad idea. That'd also keep me accountable. Except the only thing is I'd be taking a punt on how many I've applied to so far. Simply because I don't track. Because it makes me feel bad. Components. Do a little calendar. And then in daily items, we will, I don't know. Does it did I export this? I don't know if I can technically pick this up. In the past week. Oh yeah, true. I could so do in the past week, for sure. I like that idea. I'll count the ones I've done this week after stream, and then I'll have that for next stream. Wait, what did I just call this calendar? Export function. Should it just be called like date? Wait, why is it a function? Like, can I not? This seems inherently wrong. Shouldn't I do it's all relative anyway? Yeah, I mean, something not upset about what's how I'm doing. NPM. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, look at us go. Look at us go, we imported something. That's about the extent of my front end. Shouldn't I do it's all relative anyway, so you're doing well. Yeah, thanks, man. I feel like eventually I'll figure something out. I also want to style this stuff eventually, but talk about a back burner. Do we think put this here? Or put it under it? Dude, I have no fucking clue. Also, I don't think it matters. Tools are using to do this. So the front end is TypeScript, React, and Vite. And the back end is written in Go. Okay, so I actually want this to take in some props. I think. Like, what can I steal from this, low key? Or I wouldn't steal anything from that. What the fuck am I doing? I wanted to go down. I'll need to make an interface for picker props. Trying to think right now of what I need to take in for this. So I need to set the date from this. And I think like that's low key about it. I think honestly, all I need to take in is a get and set for date. So that's what I will do. What do I call that in daily items though? Do I already have a name for what the date is? Like the selected date? I guess current page. I'm just gonna make my own shit up, cause who cares? It's my project. Why? Okay. That's not what I want to do there. I'm so scatterbrained right now. What is happening? Like nothing. Just going correct. Just confused me. Like, where does the internet make the computer code? I'm the wrong person to ask. I feel like for front end land, I kind of just try to stick stuff together with like duct tape. Get in? What's up, man? Like the date will just be a string, I guess. Okay, and then we will take in selected date and set selected date. Yeah? Seems about right. You opted any course for Go backend? Opted any course? I didn't really take any courses on Go, no. I was literally just freeballing it. Because originally this project was supposed to be a small scale thing that I just wanted to try go for. So when it turned into a larger scale thing, I kind of just kept reading docs. That's not what I wanted to do. Should I drop Python for Go? Is that kind of thing? I don't think so, no. I would be cautious on doing that. What's up, Shaman? How you doing, man? These need date. Okay. I feel like, is this some sort of syntax? Alright, let's see if this still works. Okay, so it appears as if I can click around. Which actually I don't know if that makes too much sense why it should work. I'm not passing any props, so it should be yelling at me. Why is it not yelling at me? So let me get rid of this other screen. What did I call this? Selected date? Why are you yelling at me? Oh, do I not do this? Low key? Why am I fucking up passing props? Are we really at that point in my life? Oh, do I need to initialize it to something? just be new date. Sometimes you try to figure out what a language does and it's like system tool. Yeah, some crazy shit. Alright, stop fucking yelling at me. Cool. Okay. Okay, but stuff is not working now. Why? Like, what is... See, then why can't I... Why is this thing wrong? That's what I don't really understand. Because in this, it's use state date. And they just call set date on it. Because I feel like what I should be able to do like because this, what I'm confused about is this. Isn't it saying that date can be null? Type data undefined. Yeah, but like what I don't understand. That's stupid. Is how functionally like this is different from like having there's another use state. Update or null. Yeah. See, I agree, but I'm more confused on how this thing is working. How do you print the types? I just want to like console log it. Is there like a dot type? Fuck off. So it's just type of, okay. So I want to take this, and I want to do this. And then after, I want to do this. Of course it doesn't give me the fucking signature. Now do you shut up? Oh. Okay. Sure, I just have to be able to pass it undefined. Because that makes sense. Welcome to TypeScript. Pew pew. Why does it not pick up my thumb? Thumbs up. Do it. Do the thing. There we go. Yeah, I kind of like don't remember the difference. I guess that makes sense, actually. Okay. So now what I want to do is index into object. Yeah, I also thought it would go to null. So that's why I was thinking, I was like wondering why it was yelling at me. What the fuck? Did I delete something here? Oh. Who's to say? Okay, so now... So now what? Now we have... Now we have this day state. But the goal is to display. Been thinking of making a mini PyTorch project? Oh, kind of like that guy on Twitter. Do it, man. Do it, man. Do it. every day for like 4 weeks. I'll pull up. Shit, I'll pull up. Twitter guys, dude. Why not get matched? Why not? Okay, I'm trying to think. We have now a selected date. I guess we also need to just pass it as set daily items. That just seems bad though. Why do I just not understand the flow of these fucking components and pages? If they're so long, you'd think I understand it. You would think. Because like the two options going through my head are like a use effect, which is bad, and just detect when selected date changes. Or like in date picker. Because it has that on click event. You know, this like on select. Oh, but actually, this is kind of a benefit of having this state management thing. Is we can kind of just yoink this. Because then we just need to pass because what can we pass to on select? Because I want to pass like multiple things to this, so such that it's like, oh, I didn't even realize you could do it disabled. That's quite nice. Field.onChange. So I can just make a quick function that's on submit. So what am I going to pass this? I'm going to need a date. Something like this. And then also I'm going to need to take in set weekly items. That, or no, set daily items. And this goes similarly. weekly items at said date. Because it needs this date or undefined thing. I wonder if there's like a good way to do this. It's really just not equal to undefined. Sure. What a funny little language this is. Okay. So weekly items is what? Like what's the type of this? You need a string. So or I did this in daily items somewhere. Yeah. All right. We're moving. So can I not? I feel like I could just do this. No? Could have sworn I could. Whatever. What ID is that? It's not an ID. It is. Okay, that sounded like some nerd shit. It's an EFM. So just a plain text editor. All right, let me. Forgot you cannot uncomment like that in here. How do you mask uncommon in? I don't know. So hit one of these. Is there a reason you prefer it over more popular ones like VS Code? I just prefer it because it's fun. Literally no other reason. It offers a lot of customization, and I find that quite fun. Why is this yelling at me? You're really yelling at me for that? Okay. So if I want lunch to show, hey, look at me fucking go, baby. Now we just need a district. Very cool. We're doing stuff. That means I can comfortably actually get rid of this. I just need to figure out the disabled thing for this. I saw it somewhere in here. There's some disabled thing. There you go. Okay. So can you subtract dates? It's like add date or something like that, right? No? How the fuck do you do that? Just get date plus 1. How much do you spend on lead code versus coding projects? Most days is like 20 minutes of lead code, and then however long I stream rest for projects. So like I stream usually for like an hour, hour and a half, which means 30 minutes of lead code, and then like 40-ish minutes of projects. Which websites do you use for resume sending? Like LinkedIn, Handshake, Ripple Match I used a couple times. You're given an offer out of the state you're currently in. It does depend on, it depends on what the offer is. If it could reasonably cover, like, the money I make covers the rent, then yeah. Doing about 3 hours of lead code right now. Hey, good luck, man. I think if I had an interview set up, I'd be doing more, but since I don't, I'm just not really right now. So I wonder if I can do something like this. It says something like get day, right? Get date. Look, buddy, I'm struggling to land a front-end job too. Best of luck, man. All right. Where is date defined here? Or is it just assuming it's going to take in date? So can I take in a date here? Is that what this is saying? Let's see if this is remotely right. So the date has to be greater than to be greater than the date minus 3 and and you have to be less than keep mistyping tonight. Cannot be applied to types date and number. Nope, still yelling at me. Why? Why? So like, why can I not? Did that work? Sorry, for which position? Senior full stack. Oh, nice, man. Apple, holy shit. Really fascinating. What's your color scheme and font for any of them? So font is Yosevka, is what I use in Ghosty. And I think it's like, yeah. This is what I use. Depar. Turkey. I don't know why I can't paste into that, but yeah. Okay, so I clearly fucked this up. How did I fuck that up that bad? What does get date return? Gets the day of the week. Okay, so I want date of the. I need get date. Dude. I need to flip these. No, wait, what? Dude. This just needs to change to an or. Boom. Boom. We're disabling invalid shit. Just like that. Look at that, bangers. And this should be changing them as we do it. Let's fucking go. I really shouldn't allow for other months too. So how do I allow? I just want to know how I can do like only 1 month or something like that. Like I don't want to be able to go. So this is just a personal project for a course. Personal project, but I have like 75-ish users a day. Because it's an app for my campus for Northwestern. I should really just look at this and see what I can infer. See, I just want to know. I just want to know if I can disable like the switching. It's really good. Are you Soul Dev working on this? Yeah, Soul Dev. All me, baby. Dude, I just want to know. Selected. Oh, none of these are what I want. I mean, I could also just do. Like I'm imagining that I can get like the day of the year, probably. Like, you know what I'm going for? Because right now we're using the date of the month. I want like the day of the year. I don't think that's a thing. I just want to be able to disable like this front and back thing. Like what happens? And hear me out and stay with me. If I literally just delete these. Okay. Okay. What are these called? Go to next month. So how are nav buttons still showing? They simply should not be showing. Also, I don't want to really delete them. I want to... Caption, label, table, head row. Like, these are fine. What the fuck? What's up, Arian? It's Yosefka. No, the font is Yosefka. It could be... Yeah. There you go. Yosefka. And then I don't like all the ligatures, so I get rid of them. What does show outside days do? No? Okay. I just want to know how the fuck these little shits are rendering. Okay, so these are bum, bum. I just don't know what if this refers to this. Because it's all named different shit. I don't want it to be named different shit. Because it's a nav icon. With go to next month. Oh, I can pass a number of months. Mmm. Oh shit. Disable navigation. That's the fuck I want. Look at me. Navigating. Wow, powerful. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Banger. Fucking banger. I'm the GOAT. Wow. That was fun. Okay. Cool. Look at us go. I don't know why the current date is always highlighted. I don't really like that. Cool. I can literally just comment it out. Dude, I need to spend more time customizing this stuff. It's so customizable. And I just like haven't been. Cool. I'm like really happy with that. Like unironically. It doesn't look horrible on a mobile either. Obviously, none of this looks great. I haven't spent much time in it. But like, I think that's a good place to end. It's 1:30. Holy fuck, it's late as hell. Cool. We got a little calendar up. I'm very happy with that. Holy shit, a lot changed. What changed in the backend API? The fuck? Why do I see no changes? Oh, there was something. Oh yeah, I just changed the scrape index. Okay, that's fine. Add these components. This is fine. That seems fine, actually. Let me just run, make sure I can build. Yeah, seems fine. Okay, cool. Git commit dash m add Alright guys, this has been cool. I'm gonna end it here. I'm very happy with this. So, like, look at that. We have data. Mobile view is a little bit weird. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 68. Good night.